Good morning. I'm in my stupid hat, which means I'm hiking. Here with Wendy, Charles, and Javad. And we're at Panthertown Valley. Gonna do the rattlesnake knob trail, which hopefully we won't see a rattlesnake. And yeah, so good times.
What? Turkey knob?
Yep, turkey knob. It's a loop. We're in Wendy's beautiful new car. So grand. Its name is Cosmo. And why is it Cosmo? It's because it's the color of the moon or something?
Lunar rock.
Lunar rock. Yeah. Beautiful. It's a he. It's a he car. The rhododendron are still blooming. It's beautiful. It's also tranquilly cool up here. But we're at high altitude. It was a weird, long, curvy drive to get here. So, should be a good day. It's so ferny up here. Ferns are the best, Jerry. But no bears so far. I want to see a bear. I found a secret blueberry patch. They're not ready yet, but I know where to come back to in late August. Come out here and surprise me a couple of bears getting a meal. But yeah, this is a good stand of blueberry bushes right here. That's gonna be nice. Snacky pack time. I've got carrots. Javad had granola. Walnuts. Wendy has welfare granola bars that she was given at some sort of homeless event. And we're all enjoying them though. Everyone has exactly what they like. So, it is July in South Carolina. And if you know anything about July in South Carolina, it's hotter than the devil balls in a sweat sock. But up here today, it's nice. There's shade, there's the breeze. I don't know what the temperature is, but I gotta tell you, if you're in the upstate of South Carolina, if you're in Western North Carolina, if you're in Western North Carolina, there's a lot of places you can go, but if you're upstate South Carolina, man, Panthertown Valley in July, ain't no beating this, I tell you. This is great. Look at this fat boy. Can't wait to get home and research what he's going to turn into. He got a snoot like Jabba the Hutt, though.
What? A worm or something? Oh, wow.
What are we looking at?
Oh,
look at him. He looks like a manatee.
Yeah, he does. Check this out. You got leaves that make it look like it's fall, and you got the white flowers that make it look like it's summer. That's pretty. What do you think, Wendy?
I like it.
I like it too. Damn good. Well done, Mother Nature. So here it is, Hidden Falls in Panthertown Valley. Whew, it's hidden for a reason. It was hard getting down here. I broke quite the sweat. Got a few scratches, got turned around and lost a couple of times, but quite lovely. Quite nice to go where other people aren't, especially on a hot day. So as it turns out, there was a more secret falls, which is bigger and better. The water feels amazing standing underneath it. Javad's being an idiot. He's gonna bust his head, but that's okay. I don't judge. You let people be people. Made it back to the Cosmo. Wendy's driving us home, and we're all discussing the foods that we'd like to be eating. We had cantaloupe, watermelon. What you got, Charles?
Well, if it wasn't Sunday, it'd be barbecue.
Javad?
I just want to sleep.
Just want to sleep. That'll work too. Yeah, we're whooped. Today was a good day. Lots of adventure. It's
How many
awesome.
miles did you walk there?
Ah.